Alright, what's up guys? Just doing a little YouTube update on my Infiniti 2005 G35 sedan. Last time you guys seen it on my channel, it was completely bone stock. Now it has a few mods done to it, and I just wanted to go over it and share it with you guys. So for starters, I finished up all the polish on the paint. I got the paint shined up again, and I got it protected with wax so it beads water. I redid the headlights, and then that's pretty much it, just a bunch of detail. I installed some BC BR coilovers on it, front and back, adjustable dampening, and I have them set pretty low. So BC BR coilovers, and then I did a fender roll and pull on this front fender, rolled it and then pulled it a few millimeters, not much, just to get extra clearance on the wheels. And then I'm running Bridgestone Potenza tires up front with Vordovan wheels, and the specs on my wheels are, these are 18 by 9.5 plus 22 offset, no spacers, nothing like that. I feel like it's the perfect offset for the look I was trying to get. Everything fits pretty good. And then on the back, same thing, I'm running a square setup, 18 by 9.5 plus 22 offset on the Vordovan wheels, and on the back I just have Lion Sport tires, nothing special. So that's it for the suspension for now. And then I did a muffler delete with the Wicked Flow tip, so I just got that done today. I left the resonator, I didn't want it too loud. So Wicked Flow tip with the muffler delete, and then just did some maintenance on the motor, and that's about it. I'll start up the car so you can hear how the Wicked Flow exhaust sounds. So maybe I could do like a separate video too. I was doing a separate video for the muffler delete, so I'll throw this content in the other video I'm making too. So this is how 2005 rev up VQ35 and stock exhaust, except for a muffler delete with the dual tip. So nothing really, just a muffler delete. And I'll go ahead and start that up.